GRIAS Academy.
Hello future officers, welcome to GRIAS Academy. In this orientation session, we will see the importance or significance of PYQs, that is previous year's questions, the role played by it in UPSC success of CSE prelims or mains examination. So, we'll discuss about these things. So here we will discuss why PYQs matter more for UPSC CSE prelims examination. First of all, what UPSC considers important will be known by these UPSC PYQs, previous year questions, because it is the syllabus decoder and it is the mindset of UPSC which is given indirectly for us, because PYQs just repeat the themes, concepts and thinking pattern of UPSC. They are not just old questions, they are the UPSC's mindset. So here we will also understand how deeply a topic should be studied. For example, constitutionalism is very important. It should be studied in depth for the prelims examination because it is been asked many number of times. And also at the same time we see tropical rainforest, Mediterranean region, very important for the prelims perspective. And nature of questions, here the question is analytical or conceptual or applied, will be understood through the previous year questions of UPSC CSE. Then we will understand the role of PYQs. First of all, it acts as a syllabus compass. For example, if we see the syllabus of UPSC CSE examination, civil service examination of prelims or mains, the syllabus will be vast little bit. So, reading whole of these things before just 1 or 2 days of UPSC prelims examination is not practical. So, from these PYQs, we can just make the notes and we can answer perfectly to these answers which are very important from the UPSC mindset. So, it acts as a content filter, revision framework, answer writing guide. Revision framework means before prelims examination of 1 or 2 days also, we can revise the main important topics of UPSC fastly. Then next we will understand hard truth of preparation. See, many aspirants will be going through many books, many magazines, many materials, but without UPSC PYQs, it will be directionless. Actually, UPSC PYQs gives direction in which way we have to go. It means which topics to be considered more and which topics to be focused more will be understood through previous year questions. And if we see the weightage of last 5 years, there are almost 40 to 50 questions of UPSC prelims paper where it has been repeated from the previous year questions, that is directly or indirectly. So, attempting 40 to 50 questions of UPSC prelims paper is a very good thing. Like we can comfortably qualify this examination. We can become qualified at this prelim stage if we are well versed or if we have good knack of these prelims PYQs or previous year questions. So, I have mentioned some of the important topics of the subjects. For example, polity, from PYQs we can understand parliament chapter is very important, and then judiciary is very important, and then constitutional bodies is very important. For example, from constitutional bodies there will be definitely coming 1 or 2 questions. So likewise, and then if we take the economy, the inflation is very important, and then banking, fiscal policy. And if we take environmental, the protected areas, species, conventions. From species 1 question will be definitely there, and from conventions also 1 question will be definitely there. And then history also likewise only, all other subjects also likewise only, SNT also. So now we will see high yield repeating areas. For example, if we take likewise, I have taken here 1 or 2 questions like which have been repeated, the concept or topic which has been repeated in the previous year questions of UPSC. But there are a number of topics which have been again and again asked in the UPSC CSE prelims examination stage. For example, I have given polity. In polity we have been seeing again and again the constitutionalism topic or concept, and then article 21. So you know that constitutionalism is nothing but limited form of government. It is been asked many number of times. And then in geography we are being seeing the Mediterranean climate, tropical rainforest, and you can also observe the things about Coriolis force. This Coriolis force topic has also been asked many number of times. Likewise, there are many questions, but I am just giving sample questions in the orientation session. In our general sessions, I'll show you many of the topics which are being asked a number of times or many number of times in the CSE prelims examination. Now we will discuss why students fail with PYQs, that is previous year questions. Most of the students just only solve as MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. They just see as MCQs. They won't check the options, like sometimes the options becomes the questions in the next future years, because the dimensions should also be checked from the options also. And then people or students memorize answers from the PYQs. It is not the correct thing. See, if there is a question from tropical rainforest, all the dimensions of the tropical rainforest should be checked. Not only answer of the tropical rainforest question should be checked. It should be read in a manner that from whatever type of question it is being asked, you should be ready to answer. And then no syllabus linkage. Many of the people won't see syllabus. And then no note making. See, notes is very, very important. From PYQs of prelims, we can just make notes. Then just revise before 1 or 2 days of the prelims examination, where it becomes easy to score good marks. So here you can check, I have given the questions which are being asked again and again, that I have showed examples now. So same topics I have been arranged in a question format from the PYQ's perspective. So the term Levant, often heard in the news, roughly corresponds to which of the following regions? This is the question. The answer is region along the eastern Mediterranean shores. So again the question about Mediterranean region was being repeated. Again you can check that a geographic region has the following distinct characteristics. Warm and dry climate, mild and wet winter, evergreen oak trees. The above features are distinct characteristics of which of the following regions? Nothing but Mediterranean is the answer again. And then again other question, where are the Balearic Islands located? The answer is again Mediterranean Sea. See, the same topic is being asked many times in different dimensions, nothing but. So if you are well versed with the Mediterranean region, you can answer the questions. Then again you can see the questions about Mediterranean region. Consider the following statements. The equatorial regions, the year is divided into 4 main seasons. In Mediterranean region, summer months receives more rain. In China type climate, rainfall occurs throughout the year. Tropical highlands exhibit vertical zonation of different climates. Which of these statements are correct? This is also about Mediterranean region only. So again, if you see the polity topic, the concept called constitutionalism is being asked many number of times. You can see the questions which are being asked. A constitutional government by definition is a government by legislature, popular government, multi-party government, limited government. Constitutional government or constitutionalism is nothing but limited government or limited form of government. And then if you take the other question, constitutional government means again. And then again the other question is, consider the following statements. Constitutional government is one which. See, about constitutionalism only it has been asked a number of times. If you are well versed with the previous year question of this constitutionalism, you will be able to keep the answer in the future questions of this CSE prelims examination. So yeah, that's why, as we know the importance of PYQs of UPSC CSE examination, at GRIS Academy, we designed a program for UPSC CSE prelims examination 2026. We are going to start the program on Jan 19th. So the 75% offer is also valid for the first 10 students only. So please do enroll for consistent practice and success. So the orientation session of this PYQ program of GRIS Academy is being attached in the description. Please do check it out. This is Shrija signing off. Thank you.